friends, you are welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make an app that checks if the word is a palindrome or not. So firstly, I want to tell you what is a palindrome. So like ma'am, it is a palindrome because if it is respelled from backward, if it is pronounced from backward, it is the same as pronounced from forward. Like race car, civic, like this. So can we make an app that can check if the word is a palindrome or not? So obviously the answer is yes, and today I will teach you here how to make that app. So let's start. So today I'm going to tell you about a new platform to get animations, not for app development, to get animations. That is Lottie. You can get many animations here. Lottie files. You can log in here. Mostly you have to log in. So actually I have cleared my history and that's why it logged me out from this one. So now let me show you how to get this welcome animation. So you can get the others, your choice. No queries, only your choice. It's your app, design it as you want. But the code should be fixed, but design it as you want. And today I want to show you one new feature of Thunderbird. We will only give entry to the users if they are online. So let me show you. So now there are many, yes, it is the most popular, you can see. So I've taken this welcome as I liked it, but you can take any one of them. You can search it in Google and you can get more like this. So let me today show you that I have imported this animation. So I have saved it and I have imported like this. You can do from here, you can check welcome, give like this, you can take like this, you can take this. You can right click like copy, like just like images, copy image address, and you can place an image here in place of this animation and you can paste it. We can run an animation like this, place an image and control plus V. But for using Lottie, we have to do one more thing. There is one more thing, animation. You have to drag this and you have to upload your file here. So now let me show you the codes. Are you interested? So let's move forward. Before that, I want to tell you that it will navigate into two screens. If the user has a good internet connection, it will move here, means it will navigate to the screen. And if the user has no internet connection, we are not going to measure the speeds. We are just going to see that the user's internet connection is on or off. If it is on, if it is active, it will navigate to the screen, and if it is not active, you can see animation. Let it load. No internet connection. We are just means it is just to show up. We can learn new features like this. Let's go to block. So remember, this is screen 1. I have renamed it like this. So when screen 2 opens, wait 5 seconds. Okay. So let me start from this screen. So the design of this screen should be like there will be 4 columns. First, drag 4 columns. Okay, understood? No, let me show you something more interesting. First, there will be a screen like this. You do not need to rename that screen. Let it be as it is. Your choice. You can do it, or else it is not compulsory. So you can give borders like this I can give it 3 in place of 2. You can give it according to your choice, as I have told you how to give borders. So this is the borders for screen. So I hope it is looking nice. And here, then You have to add 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the fourth one. So I think 3 columns and 1 row. So like this, you will add 3 columns one by one. One shortcut I will tell you today. So you have added 1 column. You can use this option, duplicate. So yeah, the column will be duplicated 3 times, thrice. After duplicating, there will be 3 columns, and then you can simply drag 1 row like this. Now let me show you something more here. You can see I have dragged 1 label. Here we will give the heading, Word Palindromes. This is the spelling. So here you can set the color. You can give it like this. Anything you want. You can set it like that. Your preference, sorry. So your preference, you can set it like anything. And then it will look nice if you give borders. So you can give, it's your choice. It's fully in your hand. So in the second column, I will like to add 1 text input. And here, the hint should be, it is, by default, it is type here in Thunkable. So edit this and name it type your word. And give it border so it will look nice. And in the third column, add 1 label. It is an invisible label because as it has no text. Set the font size as 20 as it is, and set the color as I have set the combination as white and red, so it will look darker. Choose 1 color so that the user can see it. When the result will be like no or yes, the user will be able to see it. So let it be blank. So remember the IDs, label to result, text input 1, label 1. This is label 1, this is text input 1, and this is label to results. And that's why it is very, very important to give the IDs. If we forget to give the IDs while making big apps, while doing, I don't think people will do research with Thunkable, but let me say if they are making big apps in Thunkable, so they have to give the IDs properly, so that in blocks, after going to blocks, they will not have any problem. So in this row, you will add 2 buttons. So I know the buttons will be like this, sticking to each other. And you have to go to this horizontal alignment and click on the space around option. So it will be spaced. It will be perfectly aligned in the space around alignment. So drag 2 buttons. As I have already told you, drag 2 buttons and then space around. Check. Name 1 check. And give the borders, make it bold and make it raised. And one more thing, reset. One more button, reset. Do it like I have showed the check one. Reset, change the text color if you want, change the background color, give borders, set the font bold, make it raised, and then you can directly move to this blocks. So I think the code is not so simple today. You see. Okay. So actually, you remember that is the count with, that is the for loop I have taught you in the previous class. So today I am going to teach you how to learn, I am going to teach it to you in detail. So you are going to learn it in detail. So we have to declare one variable like this. I have named the variable can be reversed. The word can be reversed. You can name it anything, but name it, because if you will see my tutorials, you can remember like this. Initialize app variable can be reversed to this one, to a blank thing, empty thing. You will get it from the text. And I have taught you, I think, the chat app one, how to declare a variable. So after declaring variables, here, when button 1 check click. So you remember what is button 1 check? So we have changed the IDs here. This is button 1 check and this is button 1 reset. You have to remember that check and reset. So when this, when check button is clicked, imagine when check button is clicked. So last class I have showed you these 2 features, vibrate and space keyboard. see if the user is like this, the keyboard up, so it will go down and it will vibrate. The computer will do this total calculation in only, I don't know, it's I think that it will do it in a fraction of a second. So after that, again we are doing that set app variable can be reversed to this one, because as you know, it can be occupied, because as we have done this, after clicking this, it should be again empty. Understood? So it should be again empty, and then drag one count with block, count with that. So as I told you, you can name it sofa, fan, anything, fridge, inverter, anything. So count with I from. This from should be drag from your length of text input, one get text. So you know this is the text input. This is our main text input for this app. So the from this to 1. Understood? It will check the letters one by one. This is known as the iteration loop. It will check the letters. You have to understand the function, or else you will not be able to understand how are the commands working. How am I coding this app? So suppose cat. Suppose civic. It is a palindrome. So the word length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Civic. Yes, it's 5. It's a 5 words. So length of text input, one get text. So this is one new block to us today. We have learned about this length of. So this length of means that it is defining the length of the word. The word is civic. We have typed. Suppose anything. I am naming it civic. Suppose it is of 5 letters to 1. Means from the fifth letter of the word to the first letter of the word. If it is of, suppose, if the word is of 10 letters, if the word is of 12 letters, from the 12th letter, it will check to the first letter. One by one, it will check, like the interpreter of the computer. By one means, as I have shown you, 1 steps. First, it will show C, then it will see CI, then it will see V, from the last to the first. Not from the first to the last. From the last to the first, it will check each and every letter once, that it is, if it is palindrome or not. Then you can see set app variable can be reversed to, means we are setting the value. See, if we are setting the value, then it is occupied. It is occupied. And when again clicking, we are giving it, we are making it empty. Or else the user will get another input. They will type, first they have typed code civic. They are getting yes as their answer. Then they are typing coding. They will get yes as the answer, and they will see this app. They will say that this app is of no work and totally flop app. They will say. Count with I to. So after that, set app variable can be reversed to join. We will join 2 texts. One is app variable can be reversed by its own, the blank thing, and in text. So we are learning one more new thing. In text, this drag this one. Go to text, drag this one. Okay. In text means in this one, get letter, hash means rank. You see in anything, if your school is holding a racing game among your class. So suppose X is the first and Y is the second and Z is the third. So it will show that hash 1, X, hash 2. Hash means ranking. Hash means the position. So hash I means that when the I's value, I is a variable. It can vary. The value can vary. Okay. So civic, first C. I's when it's checking C, the last C. Then the value is C. Then the I's value is C. Then I, then V, then I, then C. So see, then get letter hash I means get letter C, get letter I, get letter V, get letter I, get letter C. Like this it will happen. I hope you understood. So this one, if drag this one and do like this, click on the gear icon and drag one else if. So it will be like this. It is not so complex here. Click on the gear icon else if. You see, it's like this. This. If drag one is equal to block from this logic, if app variable can be reversed, it is set to that. Set app variable to this. If app variable can be reversed, is equal to this. Text input 1 get text. Set label to result, set text to this one. Label to result is, it will say that this word is a palindrome or not. If it is a palindrome, you see like the rank letters are same as the first, this one. Civic from this side is same as civic from this side. If it is so, it will be like from label to result, set text to join. Text input 1 get text is a palindrome. It will show that civic is a palindrome. I am using as an example civic. So else if app variable can be reversed, unequal to text input 1 get text. If it is like that, if suppose the example is cat, so if it is reversed, it will be like tack. It is funny, I know, but I have to use this word tack. So will it match? No, it will not match. So set label to result to that the cat is not a palindrome. And when the reset button is pressed, reset button is also important because it will reset. And as I told you that if anyone forgets to press the reset button, in the last one, health app, set app variable can be reversed to 0. This is the backup. If the user forgets to do that, still the variable will be set to empty, null. Here, when button 1 reset is clicked, so this, when reset button is clicked, first it will vibrate, then it will be dismiss keyboard, and then the set app variable can be reversed to null, empty, vacant, yes. And then set the result that is the word is a palindrome or not, set that to empty. Again it would be hidden. And then set text input 1 get text, that is coding. If I type, then it will be like when I press the reset, from the text input, the coding will be rubbed. Then let's see the result now. It is right or not. Civic is a palindrome. Type reset. Coding. Coding is not a palindrome. You see, it is detecting the words. Ma'am. Ma'am is a palindrome. It is not like a series. Type this, not a palindrome. Type this, not a palindrome. Type this, not a palindrome. So it is like that. You see? So it worked. Now let's design our app and let's make new screens. So this screen completed. So add one more screen and add this before this screen. You know how to do it? Suppose I am adding this screen. Its position is at the bottom. You can do like this. Then if the user opens the app, it will get this screen as the first screen. Like this, add one screen and get it as the first screen. So this is the first screen I have taken. And now like that, I have told you that type. Set one animation, welcome animation, and set this. So first I have made this screen, this welcome animation, and then make another screen and rank it after this screen one. Like I have set the screen. It is already ranked after this screen 3. You know, like that there will be only screen 1 and screen 2, and here comes screen 3. So set one animation that internet not connected, search that in Google, get the copy image address, get the image address and then select this image. If it is link, select this image one, type the link, and if it is Lottie animation, type this animation and get this clear. Now add this animation, try no internet connection. And suppose it is not there, no, and add one button, try it. So I think like this, it will be like this ticked. So go here, set the horizontal alignment, sorry, it's center, but go here, I think there is something, yes. Set top margin in the button to 25 pixels. It should be of 25 pixels, means the distance, it will not be sticked. Press on this, try again. Name it try again. Set the background color and text color like this. If you like, you can give borders like I have given. Set the font as bold and make it raised. So now go to blocks. When button one click, this one, it will only come if there is no internet. So there it will check again. The device is online. If the device is online, then it will navigate again to screen 2. Understood? So like this, the process goes in the screen 2. Again, it will the welcome animation. So like this, here will be wait 5 seconds. It will check in this 5 seconds. If device is online, after this 5 seconds, if the device is online, navigate to the screen. And if device is not online, navigate to the screen, no internet connection. Now it can be offline because then the video will be off. Let me show you. Not loading the animation. So here comes the screen like this. Anyone can type anything, and as I told you, they can check. And it happens. It really happens. But now I can't go offline. You can check and you can go offline and check. It redirects you to the screen. No internet connection. Now you can download this app. Your app is successfully made. But before downloading, you can give it. You can give this word palindrome. It is automatically set. You can upload your icon, word palindrome icon. You are searching words. Suppose from here you can take this and upload it as the icon. You can give the icon as anything. You can find any picture, icon, PNG, you can set it. So that was all. So you will test it in your mobile, and if you can, please give in the comment section how was it, how was the app, how was the video, and how was the app. And if you get any help from this video, don't forget to like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.